to delete or clear a Snapchat conversations in 2021. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video. So let's get started right away. Now the very first thing you have to do is you have to go to your Snapchat app, and then what you have to do is you have to click on your Bitmoji in the top left corner. After that you have to click on the settings in the top right corner, and then you have to scroll down. When you scroll down, then you have to scroll down to the clear conversation in the privacy tab. So you have to scroll down to the privacy tab, and then click on the clear conversations, and here you can see the all the conversations. So what you have to do to clear the conversation is you have to click on the cross button of all the users. So when you click on so if you want to delete any of the users, you have to click on the cross button. When you click on the cross button, then you can click on the clear, and the conversation of these people is cleared. So you have to do this process with manually for all clearing all the Snapchat conversations. So you have to clearing a Snapchat conversations one by one. So you have to click on the cross button and then click on the clear. So you have to click on the cross button and then you can clear. So that's basically that how you can do this. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. Have a good day.